In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present in Miro in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Miro or simply looking to refine your presentation skills, this guide will walk you through every necessary step. Let's dive in and get you set up in no time. First, you'll want to head over to the Miro website. Open your preferred web browser and type miro.com into the address bar. Then hit Enter. This will take you directly to Miro's homepage, where you'll notice a wealth of tools designed to supercharge your collaboration efforts. You've made it this far, and you're just a few steps away from beginning your presentation. Now that you're on the Miro homepage, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. It's important to make sure you're signed in so you can access your boards and all the creative work you've laid out. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But for now, let's assume you already have your login credentials ready to go. When the login options appear, click on the Google login option and select your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you choose the one associated with your Miro teams and projects. Miro supports multiple login methods, but using your Google account is often the quickest and most efficient, especially if you've already linked it. With your credentials confirmed, you'll find yourself in the Miro dashboard where you can see all your boards. Navigate to the board you want to present. Once your board is open, keep an eye on the top right-hand side where you'll find the Present button. Click this to launch your presentation. This feature allows you to step through your content with ease, focusing your audience's attention on the vital parts of your board. Miro's presentation mode is user-friendly, making it a breeze to guide your audience through complex ideas. As you present, remember to engage your audience by pausing at key moments to explain vital concepts and invite questions. You can use the arrows on your keyboard to move forward and backward through your frames. Finally, when you're finished with your presentation, click the Stop button located conveniently in the same area as the Present button. This wraps up your session and returns you to the regular board view. It's always a good idea to make sure you thank your audience for their time and attention before you conclude. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've navigated through the process of presenting in Miro. Practice these steps a few times, and you'll find yourself becoming more confident and effective in your presentations. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.